rockers, I've got really iffy signal here, so we've not done a live video here. But while I can get signal, I just want to say, what a way to start. We are at Loch Ness lifeboat station, right smack bang on the Ness. I mean, what more could you want in life? They've been awesome to us here today. We've had bacon rolls, coffee. They've told us all about the operational stuff. It's just a fantastic, look at the weather. It's gorgeous. But more importantly, just look at the Ness. What a place to start. There's a few things I want to say today, but we've got very iffy signal down here. So I'll do a proper live when we get to Invergordon lifeboat stage, which is our next stop. And I reckon we'll be there about 10:30 because we've got a fuel stop. So I'll tell everyone about what's occurred in there. But as we've got a few on here, Kizzy isn't here, she's upstairs, Mick. But as you both have just joined on again, John will demonstrate beautifully, as will Donna.
Hey!
Look at this. Well, I'll see how far I can wander actually before that signal drops out. There's a roundabout here somewhere. Yeah, I'm still covered, still covered. So, this is the lifeboat house here. And a big shout out and a thank you to all the crew for looking after us so awesomely today. We were staying about 2 minutes down the road from here, but just look at that. What a better way to start our final fundraising campaign year than right here with the Ness right there. You've missed it because I had bad signal, couldn't go live, but Nessie came by twice and she donated a bit of money as well. But unfortunately, you missed her. They missed it, didn't they? They missed Nessie making a donation. Awesome. It's going to stop traffic. Even better. Right, so yeah, we're getting kitted up now. We're going to go. Look who we've got back. I'll say hello to everyone probably later, but look who we've got back.
Hello. An
original from the very first rock ride in 2021. It's good to have him back. I'll introduce you to all the rockers later on, because there are a few still toileting and stuff right now. We want to get cracking on to our next stop. We've been told there's orca up around Wallago Steps way, so hopefully later we'll have a live video with orcas jumping in the background. I mean, a boy can dream, right? But until then, rockers, stay safe, stay awesome, and above all else, keep donating. It's our final campaign. Show me your f***ing money.